Hi friends, how are you all? Hope you are all okay. This is my new channel Aquastar Talk, and today I will do a sneak peek of 2022. Let's see on the sign of Aries. Let's see what happened to us on this 2022 on the sign of Aries. Okay, and hope you will all like my video and give some likes to me to grow my channel. Okay, let's see what happened in our sign of Aries on 2022. I will take 3 cards on 3 quarters. I will divide the year in 3 quarters I will take 4 months for in a quarter, and it will be like January to January, February, March, April will be in one quarter. After April, we will take the May to June, July, August in another quarter. After that, September, October, November, December will be in another quarter. I will take only 3 cards and then we will clarify with other deck. Okay, let's see what will come to our Aries friends, and we will take another angel's guidance from another angel's deck and take some advice from there. Okay, let's see. I'm Arpita. Okay, my name is Arpita and my channel's name is Aquastar Talk. If you like my channel's reading, please give me thumbs up. Okay, and share my videos, and if you want you can subscribe to my channel for another videos. These are all general readings, so please have a look on your other signs, rising moons and other placements. Okay, let's see our Aries friends, what is going on, what will be there in our Aries life in 2022. What will be there in Aries life in 2022? Give me some 3 cards. Give me only 3 cards for. Let's see what are these cards. Only 3. Yes, only 3. Okay. uh, this will be for January, February, March, April. The January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, and what is in the bottom of the deck? Let's see. Bottom of the deck is King of Cups. Okay, under the bottom there is Sun. I think the year will be very fruitful for our Aries friends. Let's see what is there in our January first quarter, January, February, March, April. Wow, the Two of Cups. I think there is a partnership in your love life, or maybe it is a partnership in your work life. Maybe also it may be in work life or a love life. We will see, we will clarify what is there. I will take the cards from Barbara More, the mini deck, the, the classic talk of Barbara More. Okay. And just please clarify the Two of Cups. And just please clarify the Two of Cups. Wow. The Ace of Swords. The Ace of Swords. I think the first, this is a new connection. I think this is a new connection because there is a King of Cups. King of Cups says this may be a emotional connection, new connection, and and this will be a love offer. There will be a love offer for you, Aries friends. Aries friends out there, you will have a love connection for you in your 2022. Maybe it will become in the January or the 4, even it may come throughout any of the year, throughout any of the month of the year. This coming 4 year, sorry, coming 4 months, not year. Okay, let's see. This is the Wheel of Fortune. So, Wheel of Fortune, I think the wheel of your fortune will be on your favor. So, any other cards for the first 4 months of 2022 for Aries? Any other cards? Many cards, there were many cards. Okay, any other cards? Let's see. For Aries friends, 2022, first quarter of the year, 4 months, January, February, March, April, first quarter of the year. This, wow, Temperance. I think you will be partnered up with any Sagittarius person, maybe. Let's see. The relationship will be very balanced. I think the relationships will be very balanced relationship. First, all the cards are very positive. Ace of Swords, the King of Cups, the Two of Cups, the Ace of Swords, the Wheel of Fortune. All the positive cards are coming out for my Aries friends. Like the starting of our 2022 will be very bright for us, I think. I'm also Aries sun, so I'm so happy for my Aries friends and me too. This is the Four of Swords for the next quarter. That is for the month of May, June, July, August. Now let's see why this Four of Swords is here for our May, June, July, August. May to August. Let's see what is there in our May, June, July, August for Aries peoples, Aries friends. Let's see what is there in the other 4 months of May, June, July, August in 2022. Let's see. This is Fool and High Priestess. Both of them are major arcana, right? Fool is, I think you are taking a rest, taking a power nap maybe, for taking a leap of faith in your work life, maybe new projects, maybe new venture, maybe new collaboration in your love life, in your work life. But worry, this is High Priestess here. Maybe you have to take some knowledge for the new job, new projects. Let's see why this High Priestess is here. Why this High Priestess is here in your next quarter. High Priestess. This is Ten of Cups. Ten of Cups is, I think you know that this collaboration will be go to your next level of your life. I think that is the reason, you know it well. That's why here High Priestess is here. High Priestess who knows all well what will goes on in your life. Your intuitions will say everything, and maybe your intuition is very high on those days, on those months. Let's see why this Four of Swords are here for your May, June, July, August of 2022, May, June, July, August of 2022. Let's see why this High Priestess and Four of Swords is here. Let's see these three cards. Again the King of Cups. The King of Cups is repeating card here. King of Cups, Three of Pentacles, and Seven of Pentacles. Your work life will be in a peak, I think. Your work life, your projects will be on demand. It's good for us, right? Now what about this card? Oh, Seven of Cups. Why this Seven of Cups is here in others? This is the last quarter of the 2022, right? So September, October, November, December. So what is there in your September, October, November, December? Let's see what is there. Why this Seven of Cups is here? Angels, please tell us about this Seven of Cups. Angels, please tell us about this Seven of Cups. Angels, please tell us about this Seven of Cups. Let's see. These cards are here. Again the Seven of Cups. Wow. Why this Seven of Cups? Queen of Wands, Ten of Swords, and Seven of Wands. Who is this Queen of Wands? Let's see. Maybe this Queen of Wands has done something. Maybe there will be something. There will be something. Something will happen on those days of September, October, November, December that will make you little confused about the thing what's going on. So it will make you little guarded. Something will happen that will make you hurt very much, because there is Ten of Swords. I will clarify this. Let's see what's happening here. Who is this Queen of Swords? Oh, sorry. Who is this Queen of Wands and this Ten of Swords? What is there with that? Let's see. Who is this Queen of Swords? Who is this Queen of Wands? Again, I am saying Queen of Swords. Maybe this is Queen of Swords taking the energy of Queen of Wands. Who is this Queen of Wands here? Why there is a Ten of Swords here in the last quarter? Can you see all the cards? I have to little shift the upward. Then you can see all the cards. I think it's okay now. Why this Queen of Swords? Again I'm saying Queen of Swords. Why this Queen of Wands is here in the last quarter of September, October, November, December? Why this Queen of Wands is here? Who is she? Who is she? She or he? See, the Emperor. It may be your energy. It may be your energy. Queen of... Then why this Ten of Swords is here? Why this is Ten of Swords? What happened to this? Why this is Ten of Swords here? Let's see. Page of Wands. Any of the messages, some message will come that will hurt you in some or the other way, that will hurt you and make you confused and guarded, because there is also the Seven of Wands, because also there is a Seven of Wands here. The last half of the year will be little rough. See, nine of wands. You will get hurt by something. It will be a hurtful time. Hmm. Knight of cups. Something will happen. See, you have to walk away from any of the love offer. Maybe there will be any love offer, or love, there will be a heart in your love life that will make you confused. I think this is the thing. I am leaving it here. The situation will be different for everyone. I can't say what will happen exactly, but the the starting of the 2022 is very good. There is a very gorgeous love offer which will make your heart pound. And in the middle of the year there will be a very good work opportunities. I think there will be a very prosperous time of the year, will be the middle of the year, and in the last quarter there will be a hurtful time. You have to face that. Okay, the life is not all the time very lovey-dovey, right? Life is with everything, the hurts, the pains, the roses and the thorns. Okay, I will take some advice card for you. Let's see what coming for our Aries friends. Not so much. This one, only one. Okay. Wow. Bale nut, arcanauts, marriage. Yeah, really. I think there is a marriage offer. Marriage maybe take place soon. Maybe because there is a two of cups. There is a temperance. So ace of cups is also there. 10 of cups is also there. So there may be some of our Aries friends get married in 2022. Auspicious functions and enriched bonding. I think there will be a marriage bond, marriage in your card. So I'm leaving this reading here. If you like this reading, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for coming videos. Okay, bye bye for now.